Hello, this is Soyoon Kim speaking. Today, I will be sharing with you how the youth can help out in solving desertification problems, celebrating the World Day to combat desertification and drought. The increase of deserts in the land area has become a major issue discussed in the UN for the past 30 years. Many miners, as well as a diversity of organizations, are trying to come up with an action plan as a means to deal with the global issue. In this speech, I'll be presenting how the Convention to Combat Desertification, known as the UNCCD, moreover the youth, will be able to take part in sorting out the global issue. Firstly, in 1994, 122 countries in the United Nations established the UNCCD in order to gather nations to take action to combat desertification problems. The organization announced the action plan of the Great Green Wall Initiative in Africa. The main idea is to restore the area of nature, furthermore leading toward the project of regreening. The initiative also includes supporting farmers to manage water usage. With the help of UNCCD, the youth can also contribute to planting trees, which leads to the increase of soil fertility and moisture to help prevent desertification. An additional way to address the global issue is by coming up with a new form of agriculture. Desertification is a result of soil losing its ability to store carbon. The UNCCD suggested even going further back to the beginning when farming was first invented in the early Neolithic age. The new agriculture has to obtain methods that will remove and store carbon from the atmosphere, moreover decreasing the water usage. Secondly, climate change can also be a reason for desertification. An increase in weather extremes such as droughts and heavy rains as a result of climate change will lead to further land degradation. Other than the UNCCD, the youth can contribute in restoring land area. The idea of this includes using less electricity by turning off lights, and additionally wasting less gas, walking in near places rather than taking vehicles. Saving energy means producing less greenhouse gas emissions, which is the main cause of climate change. In order to deal with the global challenge, us youth should contribute in planting trees on the June 17th, the day of the International Combat Desertification and Drought, and figuring out climate change, whereas the UNCCD should build more associations aiming for the Great Green Wall Initiative. Furthermore, encourage farmers to a new form of agriculture. With the help of many youths, it will become more efficient to expand the land area. Thank you.